Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff and Vale College. It's good to see so many familiar faces out there and some people who I've discussed junior apprenticeships with over the last year really.
It is very important for us to share our good practice and to share our knowledge and understanding what we've learned in the first year of this project. Many of the people coming here today will want to know about what's involved, how the schools, college and local authority work together in partnership, but also the support that's in place and that real valuable dialogue between local authorities, schools and the college. We really have worked together in partnership to develop this programme.
It isn't just about what takes place in the school. It isn't just about making sure people that don't succeed in that environment now have an opportunity to succeed somewhere else. It is about that whole community and that whole community recognising the stake it has in the success of all of its young people, what each of us could and should do to make that happen.
College gives young people a chance to start fresh and start over, give them a second chance and to really focus on the specific trades they want to do. For me, as a young person, this was the best decision I could have done.
They see a real future for themselves and they will go on to succeed and flourish, and that's then back to the community really, because if they're flourishing themselves, the community is going to flourish as well. So I wish it all the best. I think it's a good course and I totally support it.
Really big thank you to Cardiff and Vale College for this fantastic opportunity. Yeah. It's given some of our youngsters a real lifeline to continue with their education who are seriously struggling at school.
I think the junior apprenticeship takes it one step further. I think it really recognises them and raises their aspirations, and that's what we need to do with these young people, is to raise their aspirations.